What's up, y'all? This CW always doing something. So I'm back in the garden, y'all. I had been off for a while. I had things to take care of, and as y'all can see, garden did get a little wild, but I'm back on it, y'all. This video is about what I'm finna do with this soil. I'm finna clean it. What I'm gonna do with the soil in this tote, black tote, is I'm gonna dump it in my wheelbarrow, and I'm gonna shake screen it through. And then I'm gonna add some amendments to it to start getting things prepared for the fall. But my main goal is to clean the soil because I know it's probably some grubs or whatever else in there, so I want to get it out of there. So y'all stay tuned. I'm finna show y'all how to clean, use soil, and add amendments to it. So what I'm gonna start, first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, because it's got to go back in this black tote, is to dump everything, everything in this tote in my wheelbarrow. And it's heavy, I feel like it's waterlogged. And it's funky. So this thing had cardboard and all kind of stuff in it, and amendments and stuff. So I think the cardboard and the leaves allowed it to get kind of funky. But I have this tool right here to break it up. Break it up first. Then I'm gonna shake screen it back into the tote. Shake screen it back into the tote. That way I can get all the funky stuff out of it. Tote here. I think I need to rinse it out. But it's got big holes in the bottom for drainage. But it still was holding a lot of water. So, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna rinse this bad boy out. So, I did rinse this tote out, but I don't like the size of the holes in the bottom of it. I think they're a little too big. And then it's cracked on the side as well. So I'm gonna replace this one, because I already had another one over here. The holes, instead of a little smaller, use a 1/2-inch bit to drill holes in the bottom. And it's not cracked. I rinsed it out too. So I can get some good soil in there. Okay, I got my screen, and I got my tote, and I got my little shovel. So what I'm gonna do is start adding soil to the screen. Yep. And then once I've done that, take the screen and shake it over my tote. Get a lot of the junk out of there, and then I can add my other amendments to it. I don't know what's in here. That cow manure and everything in here, but black cow over time seemed like it got waterlogged. And then I had brought some soil from up there, some leaves and stuff from up there in the country with acorns and stuff in there. And I think that kind of throws the pH balance off. Plus these little grubs in there too. So I know they feed off not only the dead organic matter, they'll feed off the roots of the plant too. Put them on or in. We're trying to make a run for it already. Out of there. Some more. This is a good way to flush the soil back out too. Over time it sit and it compacts. I think I need to add more perlite to it. So now that y'all see how the process goes of cleaning the soil, I'm gonna get back right with y'all when it's finished. So now that this has been thoroughly cleaned and filtered out, we got the bigger stuff up out of here. It's gonna be easier to start plants in here. So what I plan on doing is doing the square foot method in this container too. So I'm gonna section it off here and section it off here, and I'm gonna grow some here, 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 and here. I don't know what all I'm gonna grow yet, but I'm gonna grow something there. So my next thing is to add some fertilizers to it. I'm gonna add some of this Neptune lobster and crab shell. This also helps with if there are nematodes in this soil. This will help with killing them off. All-purpose fertilizer here. A little bit of bone meal and a little bit of blood meal. Now I am gonna add some more soil to this with some mushroom, mix of mushroom compost, top it off, and then that's when I'm gonna plant with some good stuff in there. That's how you refresh soil, y'all. That's how I refresh soil, how I do it, to make sure that I can not have to go and rebuy new soil, or it's easy to just do it this way. I can add some more perlite and vermiculite to it, fluff it up some more, and that's gonna do it. And put me a top layer across, but like I said, I'm gonna use this tote for 4 different things in here. I'm gonna turn it into a square foot so I can grow 4 different varieties of something in here. I haven't figured that out yet. I just know that the fall is coming and I want to get my fall stuff started. Anyways, y'all, this CW always doing something, trying to teach y'all something. Hopefully y'all learn something. Like and subscribe to my channel. Show us some support. and help us grow the channel. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. When I clean that soil out, this was what was hiding in there. It was hiding in my soil, y'all. But when I sifted out the soil, that's when I found these jokers in the soil hiding out. I wish I had me some chickens, because they sure enough go to the chicken. And I don't know where the birds at, but they sure enough to go somewhere today, and it ain't going back in my soil. So anyways, y'all, this CW always doing something once again. Hopefully y'all learned something. Like I said, like and subscribe to my channel. Show me some support. Share my videos. You know, and over time, y'all, we're gonna get this garden back together. Cause I had to let it go for a little second, y'all. Had a lot of stuff going on, but I'm back in effect. I'm back working hard, and with that, y'all, CW, I'm out of here, y'all.